Introducing the FQ Recess series of high-performance LED luminaires from WAC, including downlights, adjustable, and wall wash. FQ offers robust illumination, delivering up to 2,500 lumens on the 4-inch model and 2,050 lumens on the 2-inch style with superlative glare control, 30-degree shielding, up to 45-degree vertical tilting with 360-degree horizontal rotation, and uniform floor-to-ceiling wall washing. The recessed line accepts one lens or honeycomb and cross-louver accessories to provide significant glare control. Optics include field-changeable beam angles with high-efficiency reflectors, and multiple power level options are offered throughout a full line of round and square, trimmed and trimless luminaires, available in handsome finishes to complement your interior decor. FQ dims down beautifully with electronic low voltage, triac, and 0 to 10 volt dimmers. Color temperatures include warm 2700 Kelvin, crisp 3000 Kelvin, as well as dim to warm from 3000 Kelvin to 1800 Kelvin. With a universal input 120-277 volts, FQ has housings for new construction, frame-in kit, and remodel projects, with a uniform round ceiling cutout for all housings. These LED luminaires have a 50,000-hour rated life with a high 90 color rendering index. Emergency battery backup options are also available. Outstanding value, function, and quality. FQ by WAC. For more information, please visit our website.